Hello and welcome back to another video. On this problem, we're told that at 9 a.m. on Monday, a trash can with a capacity of 20 cubic feet contains 8 cubic feet of garbage. Each day after Monday, 3 cubic feet of garbage are added to the trash can. If no garbage is removed, and D represents the number of days after Monday, we're asked which of the following inequalities describes the set of days for which the trash can is full or overflowing. So if we have a capacity of 20 cubic feet, the inequality we're looking for is going to be the amount of garbage in the trash can at any given time. And this has to be overflowing, or full or overflowing. So it has to be equal to 20 or greater than 20. And how are we going to represent the amount of garbage? Well, we know that we start with 8 feet, or 8 cubic feet on Monday. And then every day we're adding 3 cubic feet. If we're adding 3 cubic feet per day, and D is the number of days, after D days, we've added 3 times D, right? If it's been 1 day, then we've just added 3. If it's 2 days, then there's another 3, so 3 plus 3, or 3 times 2. Then it would be 3 times 3, 3 times 4, and so on. So it's plus 3D, and this has to be greater than or equal to 20. This lines up with B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.